Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the main harness in your GE washer, these are the tools you'll need. Before you begin the procedure, shut off the water supply. Unplug the power to the appliance. Remove the drain line from the wall. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valves. Unthread the 2 screws on the panel. Any missing screws can be ordered through the links in the description below. Pull the panel out from the bottom and slide it to the right to free it from the backsplash. Slide the backsplash back and tilt forward. Note the orientation of the wires and use the needle nose pliers to remove them from the capacitor. You can release electricity in the capacitor by placing a screwdriver over the 2 terminals. Be careful not to let your hands come in contact with the shaft of the screwdriver. Carefully slide the capacitor to the left. Noting the orientation, unplug all the harnesses on the circuit board except for the switch harness. Remove the hose. Depress the tab on the data port and push down to remove it. Unthread the ground screw to the main harness. Now remove the 2 1/4-inch screws. Insert the putty knife approximately 8.5 inches from the edge on both sides and press in firmly to release the spring clips from the panel. Lift off the top panel and remove the wire harness retainer. Pushing the tub aside, reach towards the bottom and remove the pressure hose. Use the 1/4-inch socket with ratchet to unthread 4 of the 5 screws securing the main harness. Tip the washer back and prop it up using a wooden block or chair. Unthread the last screw securing the main harness to the bottom of the tub. Unthread the 3 screws on the protective belt cover to remove it. Unplug the motor. Pull up on the red safety tab to unlock the speed sensor connector, then unplug it. Use the needle nose pliers to remove the 5 retaining clips. Unplug the drain pump and mode shifter. Squeeze the tabs with the pliers to detach the wire connectors. Now prop up the washer. You should now be able to remove the harness. To install the new main harness, feed the harness through the top of the washer. Rethread 4 of the 5 screws that secure the harness to the tub. Fit the hose over the nozzle on the tub. Tip the washer back and prop it up using a wooden block or chair. Rethread the last of the 5 screws to fully secure the harness to the tub. Insert the 5 retaining clips. Plug in the speed sensor and push down on the red tab to lock the connector. Plug in the motor. Snap the connector into the bracket. Plug in the drain pump and mode shifter. Align the cover and start one of the 3 screws. Place the grounding connector over the screw and rethread it to the bottom of the transmission. Now rethread the last screw. Now prop up the washer. Set the top back on the washer and attach the harness retainer. Align and firmly press down on the front of the top to secure it in place. Rethread the 2 1/4-inch screws. Rethread the ground screw to secure the ground wire to the top of the panel. Push the hose over the sensor. Now plug in all the harnesses into their designated spots on the control board. Insert the data port. Plug the wires back into the capacitor. Slide the capacitor back into its groove. Tilt the backsplash upright and insert the tabs into the slots. Push forward to lock it in place. Insert the panel tabs into the slots on the backsplash, then slide it left to secure it. Rethread the 2 screws. Insert the drain hose back into the wall drain. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines. Turn on the water supply. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.